Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer files between Android and Mac OS. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to plug in the cable with your laptop. So I'm going to plug in this cable to my phone and the laptop. And now in your phone, normally you have to choose the second option, file transfer or Android Auto. Now you have to use your MacBook. Normally go to a browser from your MacBook and you have to search here Android file transfer Mac. And now normally click on the first option and from here click on this download now button. And then a file is going to be downloaded. Now normally click on that file and now hold this file and paste it into the applications folder. After installing the app, normally go to your launchpad and open the app and you will see all of the folders and files of your phone. So for example, now I want to transfer a file from my MacBook to this phone. So open your Finder and for example, I want to transfer this video to my macOS. So normally hold this file and drag it to a folder on your phone. And here you can see that the file is being transferred. And here you can see that the file has been copied to my phone. Similarly, if I want to take any of the files from my phone, then normally you have to choose it and normally hold it and drag it to your macOS. So that's it. That's very cool, pretty simple. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to transfer files between macOS and Android efficiently. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.